How to find reels you have watched on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find reels that you have watched on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the Reels icon shown in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the Reel section, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, on the next section, you can just tap on See All option just beside recently saved Reels option. And now here, once you tap on it, on the next page at the top, you'll see the option labeled as watched. So just tap on it. And now here, once you tap on it, it will prompt you to the section where you'll be able to see the reels that you have watched before. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.